Don't fucking just get that.
Trying to get him some food.
I know. You...
Yeah, so we went out to Dispatch in Texas with all the Gullwing boys. We hung out of that every day, just thousands of people throughout downtown Austin. On the trip is Sean Ross, Scooter, Alan Young, Mason hopped on for a minute, and we got Ben Johnson and Damian Lynch from Texas. We had Scott, we had Andy on the crutches, he didn't even complain once. He chilled it the whole time taking photos. In Texas, it was pretty hot. I'm from Florida, but California weather's been making me go soft. And drinking a little bit. We're seeing this ditch. I was trying to power through, trying to straight the whole time. I was coming stick, and then right after I made it, I started puking. And then I puked like once every hour for like the whole night after that. Nick, thanks to him and Lord and Articles for letting us stay at their house. Dave Andrews is a man, and so is Palmer. His pool is a lot of fun out in Albuquerque.
Too, though.
The boys?
The
What
boys.
else?
And we went shotguns with them, the Hellboy elephant gun, the sick. 2 hours out, we stopped at this abandoned water park. And we didn't even think there was much to see. They were just lighting off some crazy ass fireworks inside a big water tower. And yeah, we set up this little water slide thing. Like all in, it was super sketchy. Yeah, it was super sketchy and it kept falling over. Sean Ross was destroying that thing. And I don't know, I ended up on Figgy. It was a lot of fun to skate. Stoked on the ad. Can't wait to get another.